How you doing down there? How you doing?
Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, this is really hard, but it's not bad because it's still fun. Yay, Christmas tree, perfect Christmas tree. Look at the Christmas tree. Yay, we're doing it.
Get busy. Saw, saw, saw.